people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni, and today, with this makeup, I am reviewing the Coast to Coral palette from Colourpop. Let's start by priming the eyes with Aden Cream Camouflage Primer. And I think that this is gonna be the last summer-ish makeup that I'm doing for this year. And I'm quite excited about this because autumn is coming, Halloween is coming, more amazing stuff are coming, and I really look forward to do all those Halloween themed makeups. You know how much I love Halloween. Anyway, I think that I'm saying kinda irrelevant things with the summer makeup themed, but I'm so excited for this season. I want you to understand me on this. The first color that I'm planning to use today is this one right here. It's a very nice beige and its name is Crush. So basically with this color I'm gonna create kinda like a transition color. So when I'm gonna apply all the orangey coral shades, I will have someone to blend them out without this be directly my skin. Let me tell you, this color scheme is so amazing. I know that when you see it, you don't directly think about me and my personal makeup style, but I don't know, it brings so much joy in me. That's why I chose to review this palette, and this color is amazing. Can you see how beautifully it applies on my eye? It's so beautiful. I'm moving on to my probably favorite color from this palette. This one right here, it's called Anemone. It's an amazing coral pink and I'm planning to apply this at my outer corner, and let's see, because I have really high expectations. Wow, it's so beautiful! Oh my god, look at it! Oh, I love it, and I feel that this is gonna blend amazingly into the previous color. Wow! I'm so impressed by how the colors are blending with each other so smoothly. Now it's time for some shimmers, and the first that I'm planning to use is this one right here. It is called Diver, and it's a very nice orange to golden, something like that. I know that you haven't used to see me in orangey and golden shades, but today we're trying something different, right? And I'm trying to find a nice brush to apply it. I cannot find it, unfortunately. Oh my god, yeah, I found one. Don't worry, we are here. So I'm gonna take this one from Aden Cosmetics, this one right here. It doesn't have a name because it is from a set. I'm gonna take an amount and I'm gonna spray the brush in order to make sure that it will perform as well as possible. I'm gonna spray with this spray from Revolution Makeup. It is called Fixing Spray Cookies and Cream, the one with the amazing smell. Yes, this one right here. And let's see. Wow, oh, look at it. It's so beautiful. I have a dilemma right now. I don't know with which shimmery color I would like to continue. So basically the choices are these two. First of all, this one, the Keys, which is a golden pink, something like that. And here we have Keep Swimming, which is, I think, my favorite between these two because it's a little bit more to the pink shade. So I think that I'm gonna go with Keep Swimming. And if I feel that I would like a more golden shift, then I will go back to the Keys. I'm gonna add some extra shine to this eye look by using this thing right here. I'm not sure about how to pronounce the name. Is it called Atoll? Atoll? I have no idea, absolutely no idea. But I'm gonna take this tiny brush from Beauty Bay. It's called On Point. I'm gonna spray it a little bit and I'm gonna add this color here under my eyebrow area and here at my absolute inner corner. I would also love to try the darker shades from this palette. So basically the idea here is to take this one, it's called Drop Off, and it concerns me a little bit because it contains golden glitter and I don't know how this will go with my idea, but basically my idea is that I would like to create an eyeliner with this shadow. So basically I'm gonna start from here and the plan is to smoke it in, the orange part, so I will not have a super intense eyeliner because it's still a summer look and we don't go with, you know, black eyeliners in the summer. I mean, if you wanna do it, it's fine. It's my taste that I don't wanna do it personally. So I'm taking with this kinda small brush from Beaumont and I'm starting. I haven't finished with the top part of my eyelid yet, but I have some big plans, so I would like to make sure that I have finished with the bottom part and then I will return. So first of all, I applied these color sticks, again from Colourpop. I don't know the name, let me find the name. Okay, it is called Free Time and it's from the Metallic series. Nice! Now let's go back to the palette and actually let's go to this shade that I actually haven't used today. It is called Angel Fish and I'm planning to apply it here. Let's decorate a little bit. So basically I have two wheels full of fun stuff ready to be applied on my eyelids. First of all, from this wheel I'm planning to take these little pearl-like things. I think that they will fit perfectly to the sunset vibe, to the summerish vibe. I think they will be perfect. But what I'm most excited for, this wheel with the golden stuff. First, I have found some little suns here. Then I saw that it contains also these seashells and also some starfish. So I'm not sure what I want to apply, to be honest, but I think that I'm gonna go with the shells and then maybe the sun and some starfish as well. Perfect! The eye look is finished and now I'm planning to turn off the camera, finish with my face makeup and then come back and tell you my opinion about the palette. A lot of steps and a lot of pearls later. I'm here to tell you what I have put on my face until now. First of all, and more obviously, I added some extra pearls because I thought that they were not enough. You know, they're never enough basically. Anyway, actually on the face I started by using this primer from Essence Fix and Last. Then I applied my foundation, Pretty Natural, again from Essence. And then on the top I started by using some liquid highlighter. This is from Charlotte Tilbury, the Beauty Light Wand. Also I applied this highlighter here at the higher part of my bones in order to give that extra shine. And then I decided that I would like to continue with a liquid blush. So I combined two products, this which is creamy and this which is liquid. This is basically from Glossier in the shade Beam and this is from Patrick Ta in the shade See So LA, and I used only the cream product from here, not the powder. Then I continued with what? Oh yeah, with some extra highlighter. You might be wondering if I finished with the highlighters. No, I added this one on the top. This is from MUA Shimmer Highlight Powder in the shade Golden Scintillation. Well, this is weird as a name for me, but anyway, this is a very beautiful golden highlighter. You can see it on my face, it's so amazing. And then on the top, I didn't finish there, people. I finished with this instead. This is from Fenty Beauty and Rihanna, How Many Carats? And I applied some bronzer as well. This one from Essence, the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. It's a very nice bronzer which smells like coconut and I'm dying for its smell. As a powder now, I have used two different powders. First of all, under my eye area, I applied this one. This is the Brighten Up Banana Powder from Essence. And then at the rest of my face, I applied this one, the Breezy Cloud Set from Kosas. And let me show you the progress that I have done in this powder. I have heated the pan and I really can't wait to finish it. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. So as you can see, today I have created a summerish makeup and that's why I decided to tell you the Greek word for summer. So in Greek we say kalokeri. Say with me, ka-lo-ke-ri. Καλοκαίρι. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word καλοκαίρι or actually tell me the word in your own native language. And let's move on to the lips. So for today, I decided to use a combination of products again. First of all, I'm gonna go with Elixir makeup and the lip pencil in the shade 35 doesn't have a name. No, it just says that it's waterproof. That's great because I still have my water here, although that I'm using a paper straw. And then on the top, I'm planning to apply apply this. This is from e.l.f. the Hydrating Core Lip Shine. So basically, if you see here, the core is kinda glossy and it's a heart. It's so cute. I just love it. But if I feel that the gloss from this lip product is not enough, I'm gonna apply some extra gloss. And now let's move on to the part of the video that you wanted the most, the review of the palette. So Coastal to Coral is a very beautiful palette, especially for the summer. All the shades are kinda golden to orange to a little bit more pink, and I love this color scheme. I love this color combination, especially for summertime, summer stuff, but I could definitely see myself using it all the other seasons as well. Now, when it comes to quality, is the good quality that Colourpop has in general. I'm so happy with their formulas, with their qualities, so I don't really have to say a lot about that. Now, a little complaint, if I can say that, because it's not really a complaint, is that when you see this eyeshadow on the pan is not what you get on your eyelid, especially if you have close to my skin tone. It's not really true to the pan. I mean, they are kind of more pigmented on the eyelid, which to me it's a huge paradox, because when I say that it's not true to the pan, I mean that they are kind of lighter, but here we have the opposite. To me, this makes me more happy because this palette can go a little bit deeper than you can actually see here at the pans, but it's a little bit weird, so I would like to mention it, so just keep it in mind if you want to buy this palette, if you have my skin tone. Now, when it comes to blendability, all the colors are perfect. They're blending like a dream, like basically like every other Colourpop palette that we have reviewed here in this channel. If you ask me if they are buildable, well, they are, but basically you get the color that you see from the first or the second time that you apply, so you don't really need to build that much. All in all, it's a great palette. I definitely approve it, so if you want to buy it, it's an amazing option. Now, if you feel that you want to see more reviews from me, you can always subscribe to this channel because I upload quite a lot. Also, I have some other interesting videos when I'm talking about stuff, when I'm presenting my whole palette collection, so don't forget to hit the notification bell in order to make sure that you're not gonna miss anything. Also, if you feel that you need to spend a little bit extra time in this makeup, kinda look some close-ups, zoom in, I have an Instagram account where I'm gonna upload a gallery of 5 pictures from this look. My Instagram is Catlady Antigoni. I'm gonna leave it down here. You can always go and follow me there. You can ask me questions, you can send me messages. If you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. I really love to see what you do. You're really amazing. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and see you on Saturday with a new video. Until then, bye bye!